If you want to prevent viewport borders from being displayed in AutoCAD, this quick layout trick will save you a lot of time and keep your sheets looking clean and professional. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to hide viewport borders the right way so they stay visible on screen while not showing up in your plotted output. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your drawing and switch to one of your layout tabs. This is important because viewport borders are managed from paper space, not from the model space view. Once you're on the layout, locate the viewport border you want to hide from plotting. Click to select the viewport frame carefully so you're selecting the border itself and not the contents inside the viewport. Now, with the viewport selected, move it onto a separate layer. A lot of users like to create a dedicated layer called something like Viewport or VPORT, which makes this process much easier to control later. To do that, open the Layer Properties Manager and find the layer you created for the viewport borders. If you haven't made one yet, this is a good time to create it and assign the selected viewport border to that layer. After that, look for the Plot option in Layer Properties. You'll see a printer icon beside each layer, and this controls whether that layer will print or plot on your final output. Find the viewport layer and click the printer icon to turn plotting off. When the printer icon is disabled, anything on that layer will remain visible on your screen, but it will not appear when you plot or publish the drawing. That means your viewport border stays useful while working, but disappears from the final sheet exactly as you want. This is one of the cleanest ways to manage presentation drawings, especially when you want a polished layout without visible frames around each viewport. It also gives you better control if you ever need to turn the border back on later, because all you have to do is restore the plot setting on that layer. After making the change, it's always a smart idea to do a quick preview before plotting the final file. That way, you can confirm the viewport border is no longer showing while everything else remains correct. So to recap, open the layout, select the viewport border, move it to its own layer, open Layer Properties, and turn off Plot for that layer by clicking the printer icon. And that's it. Your viewport borders will no longer be displayed in the plotted output in AutoCAD. If this tutorial was helpful, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next AutoCAD video.